It's time to cook with Susan Beck. Well, a new school year has arrived, which means the end of summer has also come upon us, and it makes it apple season. My apologies to my subscribers. I have been quite busy as a teacher getting ready for the new school year and getting things underway, so I haven't posted a video in a bit. But tonight I am going to make for you a 5-ingredient fruit drip. And to all of you out there who are not subscribers, if you enjoy my videos, you might consider hitting the subscribe button. Well, our 5 ingredients, we're going to use some milk and some vanilla as our liquids. We have powdered sugar, 1/4 cup, and brown sugar, 1/2 cup. I am also going to be using 1 container of cream cheese, which is 8 ounces. You can use the reduced fat or the regular cream cheese. It's up to you. Tonight I happen to have the regular. I usually buy a bar of each every time I go to the store. All right, we're going to add into there both of our sugars. Oops. That's packed brown sugar, kind of takes the form of the cup. We'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then the milk will vary a little bit, 1 to 2 tablespoons depending on how thick it is. We'll add the 3rd one if we feel like it's not mixing together well. So there's 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to use a hand mixer to mix together these ingredients. Another note, my cream cheese, I had set this bar out maybe like about 30 minutes ago, anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. Set it out, make it a little softer, makes it much easier to mix together. So we're just going to hand mix. I don't think I'm going to need another tablespoon of milk. It's mixing up quite nicely. And now that it's all smooth, we can call that good with the mixer. This could easily be stirred by hand too if you don't own a hand mixer or just want to use a spoon for it. That would not be a problem at all. I'm just going to use a spatula here to get a little more of this delicious dip out of the beaters. All right, this just looks great. That brown sugar gives it a nice little golden color, and this is just fantastic with any kinds of fruits. I have today grapes on hand, I've got some bananas, pineapple, I've also got Honeycrisp apples. These are my family's favorite, especially this time of the year when we can get them fresh from the orchard. So I'm just going to use my apple core here and just give this a little taste with some apple slices. That little bit of sweetness with these already delicious apples is just fantastic together. And you can make a caramel sauce or buy caramel sauce at the store, but I don't know, it's got a little bit of a caramely taste due to that brown sugar in there. And I just really like it even more than caramel for my apples and fruit. Let's give it a try with a grape too. An excellent, extremely easy dip. A way to make your fruit just a little more exciting if you're looking for something special. Fruit drip, 5 ingredients. That's all you need.